Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 10 Maths, Unit 3, Mathematics of Chance. Last topic, more pairs. In this topic, number of pairs are calculated by multiplication. Textbook exercise, page number 78. In class 10A, there are 30 boys and 20 girls. In 10B, there are 15 boys and 25 girls. One student is to be selected from each class. So question 1, what is the probability of both being girls? 2, what is the probability of both being boys? 3, what is the probability of one boy and one girl? 4, what is the probability of at least one boy? Here are two classes. First class is 10A. The other is 10B. In 10A, there are 13 boys and 20 girls. In 10B, there are 15 boys and 25 girls. Total number of students in 10A is 30 plus 20, 50. Total number of students in 10B is 50 plus 25, 40. From these totals, we can find out total number of possible pairs. Multiplying these, we get total number of possible pairs is 50 into 40, 2000. Of these 2000 pairs, there are three kinds of pairs. First one is both being boys. Second is both being girls. And the third is one boy and one girl. Number of pairs of both being boys can be calculated by multiplying the number of boys in 10A and number of boys in 10B. That is 30 into 50, 30 into 15 is equal to 450. Number of pairs of both being girls can be calculated by multiplying the number of girls in 10A and number of girls in 10B. That is 20 into 25 is equal to 500. Then last, number of pairs in boy and girl can be calculated by subtracting the sum of these two pairs, that is 950. From the total pair 2000. That is 2000 minus 950, which is equal to 1050. Okay, once more. Number of pairs of both being girls is got as 500. Number of pairs of both being boys is got as 450. And the number of pairs of one boy and one girl is got as 1050. And the total number of pairs is 2000. We have to find out probability of both being girls. Probability is equal to 500 divided by 2000. Secondly, we have to find out probability of both being boys. That is P is equal to 450 divided by 2000. Then last, we have to find out probability of being one boy and one girl is equal to 1050 divided by 2000. Then one more question. What is the probability of at least one boy? At least one boy. At least one boy means we cannot take the first pair, girl pair. The remaining two pairs can be taken. രണ്ടിലും ബോയ് ഉണ്ട്, ആദ്യത്തിൽ മാത്രം ബോയ് ഇല്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് we have to avoid first pair and taking the remaining two pairs and adding we get 450 plus 1050, we get 1500. So probability is equal to 1500 divided by 2000. Simplifying the first, we get 10 by 40. Simplifying the second, we get 9 by 40. Simplifying the third, we get 21 by 40. Simplifying the last, we get 30 by 40. Each two-digit number is written on a paper slip and these are all put in a box. What's the probability that the product of the digits of a number drawn is a prime number? What if three-digit numbers are used instead? Here we have all 2-digit numbers are put in a box. We have to find out what is the probability that the product or the digit of a number drawn is a prime number. For that, we have to know total number of 2-digit numbers. Total number of 2-digit numbers is 90. Then we have to write 2-digit numbers in which product of its digits prime. For that, we have to know the prime numbers up to 10. They are 2, 3, 5 and 7. We want 2-digit number. So we put 1 on left side of each number. Thus 2 become 12, 3 become 13, 5 become 15, 7 become 17. Then taking products of digits, then we get 1 into 2, 2 itself, 1 into 3, 3 itself, 1 into 5, 5 itself, 1 into 7, 7 itself. All these are prime numbers. Similarly, we can write next numbers using these numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. By putting 1 on right side of each number, 2 become 21, 3 become 31, 5 become 51, 7 become 71. And taking products of digits, we get 2 into 1, 2 itself, 3 into 1, 3 itself, 5 into 1, 5 itself, 7 into 1, 7 itself. Thus we get 4 numbers in 2 rows. That is 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. So its probability is equal to 8 out of 90. Simplifying, we get 4 by 45. Second question is, what if 3-digit numbers are used instead? So we have 3-digit numbers in a box. First we have to know total number of 3-digit numbers. Total number T is equal to 900. Then we have to find out 3-digit numbers with the products of its digit prime. For that, we have to know the prime numbers up to 10. They are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then we need 3-digit numbers. For that, we put 2 ones on the left of each side. Thus 2 become 112, 3 become 113, 5 become 115, 7 become 117. Then we can write 2, 3, 5, 7 are same. Then we can put 2 ones on the right of each numbers. Thus 2 become 2, 11, 3 become 3, 11, 5 become 5, 11, 7 become 7, 11. Next we can put the 1 on both side of 2, 3, 5 and 7. So 2 become 121, 3 become 131, 5 become 151, 7 become 171. And taking the products of all digits, we get the same number 2, 3, 5 and 7. All these are prime numbers. So we get 4 numbers in 3 rows. That is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. And total number of 3-digit number is 900. So probability is equal to 12 out of 900. This is the end of this class. Goodbye.